Yes, good morning, guys. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel. Let's see, guys, supports and the resistance on NVIDIA. So NVIDIA today, guys, closes around 117.99. Let's call 118, but on post market, the stock moved the upside. So, guys, this was I was drawing this line of the it was this I drew this one past month, so I was watching like a resistance and support. So guys, if you are going to play NVIDIA this month, so on July, so before August, so what the support that we want to see this stock closing. So if you are going to play this month, so we are watching support one on monthly. Remember all of this before August, after August 2nd, that one is on will be on Friday on 2nd, and that one we are going to is almost earnings. So earnings on NVIDIA is going to come on Thursday, August. So guys, we are watching this one all of this week, so we have at least around 10 days. I can call 10 days, but it's more than 10 days if you included one weekend. So but the real thing here, if you are going to watch this week, guys, this was acting like important. So today we bounces at the support, which is 116. The stock today came around 116.72, and then we bounces back, closes on post market 119, and we're still watching, guys. If this thing will break $21 tomorrow, so it's going to recover back, and the resistance, which is going to be a resistance, it was support number, you see, every time it's 125 to support. We touches all day, which is yesterday on Tuesday. This the candlestick on new Tuesday, and then today when market open, we send all the way this stock to park here 121. So this when pre-market today, and then when market open, we close on market 117, and then this one, guys, this the green candles you see here, guys, this for pre-market, and you cannot account any candlestick on pre-market or post-market. I can call this was post-market. So tomorrow we are going to see NVIDIA, and probably, guys, tomorrow I see NVIDIA bouncing, hitting 121, even 125, very easy. Yeah, very easy. So maybe I'll go to do another video later. And remember, this one, guys, is going to account all of this week until Friday. Okay, so until this Friday, or what they say, yeah, 22. So it's going to count until 22, and that will be next Monday. So by Monday we are going to go at this level 116, and if we lose 116 here, so we are going to 111. Remember, on daily we have 110. So and if you can see on 45 minutes over here, this thing, this is the level which we was acting like support. I told you this one around 125 acted like a support, and then we break it, we came support number 2, which is 121, and today we touches this one almost 116, and we are on halfway. So we don't know if it's going to hit 121 tomorrow, 0.7. So if you hit here, you can buy your call, enjoying up trend. But in anything, you can push through this area to 111. So the same thing we are going to see super microchip, super microcomputer, the same thing, guys, like it bounces. So on super microcomputer, it has some bullish candlestick on 45 minutes. You see this one, this candlestick, it bounces all of these things, bounces 8 or 9, and when market open tomorrow, maybe it will break 331. Remember, the lowest testing is going to be by end of this week 22, or Friday will be 19, but this one accounting until weekend. We are going to see 787. So we bounced around support number 4. So guys, we are not below support number 4, and even 45 minutes and you see 45 minutes and 4 hour charts is always the same thing, and this one is going to explain you the same thing. Like we are going to watch, we bounced 909 and 831 and 809 will be, this will be support and this will be the resistance, and the which is coming closer will be 8787 on super microcomputer. So are you going to buy super microcomputer? So guys, you see this thing is very bearish right now, and if this thing is going to do like this, guys, you see I don't see if you are going to bounce. When you see something like this one, maybe the huge volume come on Thursday. Probably I see Thursday is going to be green, I don't know why, and Friday maybe will be taking profit, but I see tomorrow will be going to close green, and 707 which will be support number 1, and this one is going to play on all this month until on August. And so he's giving a lot of data. Remember guys, he's giving all of the data, and remember all of these things is not going to play. And yesterday another stock that I took it was PLTR. Guys, I'm going through the stock that I did yesterday. PLTR, PLTR. So you see on PLTR here, guys, you see I told you PLTR was showing some strength, and even today he closed the screen on daily, and 760 has been the strong support, and the next resistance, which this was resistance number 1, which acted like a support. Remember, stock was supposed to buy around 24, and if the stock will going to push before earnings, we are watching 29, and the highest in PLTR is going will be 39. Guys, if this thing will beat earnings, there is something telling me, guys, like if maybe PLTR is going to be rocketing like NVIDIA. You remember NVIDIA started from $10 to $140. Even PLTR can do the same thing on 4 hours. You see this thing, guys, hold strong around here, and we have this line of the, like, it's going to pump. Like, in short, this thing is, it does. The people who buy it, they trust the company, and maybe the good things coming. So these guys, on this week we trade between this 27 acting like support, faking in 45 minutes, like dipping and then closing above, hitting this resistance number 1, 831, touches coming almost to breaking this one, faking out like today, hitting $29, faking, and tomorrow rocket, and there has this stock can reach this week, if it will be have uptrend, will be $32. Okay, and the support, if it will break around 27.73, we have 27.08, which is also closely followed by 26. Yeah, until I don't think if this one will be have any sell off. So another one which I can remember is ALAB. So remember today, guys, we are going to see the support and the resistance only. So this one today, remember this is the post market, and it closes below, it closes above the support around 53.47, which is some here, guys, holding, and 53, and if you go upside will be 57, and highest can reach this week will be around 70 exactly, and ALAB will break downside, we are going to see 53. If 53 will not hold, we are going to 51 this week, guys, and 47 and then the last will be around 39, which is, I don't think, guys, even though semiconductors are under the price of the sell-off. So remember, I drew this line on the uptrend. So my support that I was drawing yesterday, that this thing may be breaking down, so we closes below that support, and we still watch it at 53.885, 47, 39, and the lowest, if the crash would be happening, the lowest will be 25, so which is not the case. So this thing, guys, when they listed, remember, this is the new stock they listed, and 36 was the bottom. Do you think, guys, this thing is going back to 36? That's the question right now. I'm asking myself, like, is this going to test at the bottom? Because this thing, when you see the data, it started around this area, around 50, 51, 52. So when you open like this, you will see clear that we open around this when they listed, and then this the data started over here. When you go Robinhood, will tell you around 36. So if this thing is going, if we are already breaking here, watching 53, and very soon this thing is going to break upside. Remember, this is the new stock in the town. So guys, if you ask me to see on RSI, I like to see all of this stock on RSI again. 1 second, I want to see on the relative strength index. So on the daily, this one around 38, which is almost oversold. And when you use the stock RSI, guys, this is one now will tell you momentum. Also is still telling you ALAB is still going downside, and NVIDIA, I'm going to use only daily. NVIDIA also pointing upsides around 43, and maybe this round is going to reach oversold. And on stock RSI is telling you the stock is almost is below. So this one stock is telling you should buy, like it's not a buy, like it's time to buy. Until, guys, this thing pointing upside like here, so that's when you see NVIDIA is pumping. So you need this one stock and RSI also to communicate. Like if another one point downside, another one point upside, that will not be bullish. So let's see on super micro. Super micro computer around 43, guys. This one and NVIDIA is the same thing. So, and this one still telling you it has more room to go downside. So probably it's going to send all the way to down. Okay, it's pointing, still pointing downside. And then let's see the PLTR, because PLTR has been holding very well. PLTR, you see PLTR still holding strong around 66, which is telling you still extremely bullish. And here is telling you, yes, something's pointing some downside. I don't know if this is the case. Yeah, so it still is pointing, you see. But when you see the last when you point the upside, you saw 2 days dropping, and this one, guys, dropped instantly. And then right now, maybe by before earnings, this thing can be hitting downside, and we are going to watch around 26 somewhere. Guys, thank you so much. See you on next video.